how to get out of the spam folder ASAP. So in this video, we are going to go through the key strategies to help you improve your email deliverability in 2025 so that your email reaches the primary inbox and not the spam um, folder or the promotion tab by any chance. So there's some background noise, just there's some construction near my building, so just ignore the background noise. But I just want to say, okay, um most email marketers and copywriters make email deliverability seem so hard and complicated just to make you feel that you cannot do it yourself, so you buy their own services. But the truth is, really, it's not that difficult or complicated, and I'm going to go through that exactly right now, plus how you can get out the spam folder and how you can keep your emails landing in the primary inbox forever. Because if people aren't receiving your emails, it's going to be hard to make money. Everybody knows about that, bro. So what is deliverability, like email deliverability? Just to make sure we are on the same page, basically inbox providers um want to improve the experience of their customers by only showing them emails they want to see. So deliverability refers to the to your domain and IP sending credit score. Therefore, if you have a good credit score, you will land in the primary tab or inbox. If you have a bad credit score, you will land in the spam folder. And if you're somewhere in between, like in the middle, you will essentially land in the promotion tab. So this is just basically it. This is promotion tab. This is the primary inbox, and the spam folder is around here. Okay, so whenever you land in the primary tab, here is where you land, and I will see your email directly. And whenever your emails land in the promotion tab, they end up here. So only like 25% of people open the promotion tab. Like myself didn't open this, almost like all emails that end up in the promotion tab, I don't look at them. And also the spam folder, this is where when your email lands there, bro, I'm telling you, like, I'm sorry, but nobody's going to check on them. Okay, so that's basically it. Let's move on. Just to think in the eye of Google, if 2 out of 10 people are opening your emails, do you think Google will keep sending you to their primary inbox? No, like, really, no. So the thing is, if you're getting 50% plus open rates, with a click-through rate of 1% plus, Google will think like all that is human interaction, and they will keep sending your emails to the primary inbox, and that will be a cycling effect. Okay, but if you get 20 to 30% open rate with a click-through rate of 0.5 or below, simply below 1%, Google will think that's not human interaction and that is not human behavior. So what they will do, they will keep sending your emails to the spam folder. Now, if you keep going on with this is going to be a cycling, and you'll remain in the spam folder forever. And repeating the second cycle, which is the 20 to 30% open rate with a 0.5 or below 1% or click-through rate, it can be hard to escape, but it's not impossible, which I'm going to go over right now. But just a quick one. Um, if you're new to this channel, every week I put out free proven marketing frameworks that scale multi-million dollar brands, which you can use to scale your own brand or your clients' businesses. Tested and proven strategies to help you write world-class copy fast, even if you're just starting out, and unique email marketing hacks and strategies, and so much more value to help you add another 10K from your email list without wasting thousands of dollars on running ads that don't work or hiring agencies that overpromise but under deliver. So here's the thing, you might want to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any of the coming hot sauce on this channel. Okay, so why are your open rates low? Like whenever you send, if you're having email deliverability problems, why are your open rates low? If you're not familiar with the word open rate, it's simply how many people open your emails. So let's assume you have all the technicals in place, but still you are getting low open rates. Now, if so, there are only two possibilities, the two possible reasons why you're getting low engagement. Number one, your emails are suck and no one wants to open them and read them. Or two, you just have a bad sender reputation and Google is just sending your emails to spam promotion tab and people aren't seeing your emails. You may say it's bad luck. So the best way to improve your email deliverability is to send better emails. You make and send good emails, people enjoy them, and they continue to open them. Simple, bro. It's simple. Now, that is if your email sucks, but there's always a but, right? In case of building your sender reputation, if you're getting sub 40% opens, then you are likely getting higher promotions spam inbox placement. So we need to prove to Gmail inbox providers that people like our emails and want to engage with them. Because if we don't, you might end up in the spam folder forever, which you don't want it to happen. I guess you don't want it to happen. So what do? We boost our opens and clicks for a period of time. How? By sending emails only to people who click and open your emails. Okay. So first up, for your email list hygiene, what you want to do is clean up your list, like remove invalid email addresses, then verify your email addresses. So this I think is confusing. The first one should be verify your email addresses, like use tools like Never Bounce or Email List Verify to confirm the validity of the email addresses before sending them. Then you remove invalid email addresses, like you clean up the list. Then the third one should be like you respect unsubscribe requests, like simply remove subscribers who request to opt in. That's how you clean up by first your email list. So next, create engaged segments of your email subscribers in 14 days, 30 days, 60 days, and 90-day variation. So what you want to do is create segments, okay, of engaged subscribers. One of your engaged subscribers, you create segments. The one who have opened your emails in the last 14 days, in the last 30 days, in the last 60 days, and in the last 90 days. When you create variation like that, it's easy to know which subscribers are active and which are not active. Okay, and it helps you keep your deliverability. How? By sending most of your emails to the active subscribers instead of the inactive. So we'll discuss later what will you do with the inactive. Just below this, we're going to discuss what you're going to do with the inactive. Are you going to remove them or let them marinate and send them some more emails? We're going to go through all over that right now. So here is a step-by-step strategy to help you achieve a perfect email deliverability in 6 weeks. So week 1, you have to audit and clean up. So this is the overall like 6 week that will help you like boost your email deliverability. This is exactly what I do to all my clients to help them like boost their email deliverability and make things very clear. So week 1 is audit and cleanup. So the first thing that you want to do is clean your email list. Use tools like Never Bounce, Zero Bounce, Hunter, or Email List Verify to remove invalid, temporary, and inactive email addresses. Eliminate spam traps, duplicate addresses, and role-based emails like info at or admin at emails like those. And the second thing, you want to authenticate your domain. Set up SPF, which is Sender Policy Framework, DKM, DKIM, which we say that's the short form, domain key identified mail, and DMARC, which is domain based message authentication reporting, and conformance records. Monitor them, monitor the SPF, DKIM, and DMARC using tools like Google Post Master Tools and Score. These tools will help you like monitor the SPF and make sure that they're in line, and you authenticate your domain. So use tools also as MX Toolbox to verify proper configuration. As said, then the next thing, the third thing that you want to do on the cleanup and auditing is warm up your domain. So gradually increase your email sending volume over the next few weeks, but you want to keep it low. For one domain, you must send at least 50 emails. 50 emails, yeah, per one inbox. You have to send like 50 emails. But when you warm up your domain, you have to like you can scale it to about 100 Just make sure it's for every domain. Have multiple domains with multiple inboxes. Send at least 50 emails. So use tools like Lemworm or Mailworm to automate your warm-ups. Week 2, what you want to do is segment and test. Segment your email list, separate active and inactive users. Then the second thing is focus initial campaigns on highly engaged recipients. 2, test email content. Avoid spammy words like free, buy now, or exclusive exclamation marks. Excessive exclamation marks, it forces you to go on the spam folder, especially when you use them on the subject lines. Also, use email testing tools like Litmus or Mail Genius to ensure your emails don't trigger spam filters. The third thing you want to do is ensure mobile optimization. Over 50% of emails are open on mobile devices, so use responsive designs. What do I mean by responsive designs? Use designs that will be easily seen and will be clear on the phone. That's it. Moving forward to week 3 and week 4, you have to build engagement. So in week 3 and week 4, you have to send driven emails, like provide valuable content that your audience finds helpful, interesting, educational, informative, something like that. Use clear subject lines and personalization, e.g., first names, Colin, Mary. Use first names on subject lines. That's more personalized. Then 2, you have to optimize sending times. So send emails when your audience is most likely to open them, e.g., maybe mid morning on weekdays, on weekends maybe in the evening, or something like that. You just it depends to your subscribers, it depends to the type of audience that you're reaching out and what do they do. So optimize their sending time. Third thing, encourage replies. So include a call to action. Whenever you don't include a call to action, you don't encourage replies, you don't encourage engagement. So if you want to build engagement, you have to encourage replies by including a call to action. Okay, like something like, what do you think about this idea? Respond to this email if you find this email helpful. If you need any help from me, reply to this email and I'll get back to you. Okay, like something like that. And then the fourth thing is monitor key matrices. Okay, so track open rates, click-through rates, and bounce rates using tools like MailChimp or Active Campaign. So sometimes tracking open rates, click-through rates, like all these rates on emails, it also enforces your email to go on the spam folder. But I encourage tracking this email, these open rates, click-through rates, and bounce rates for some time, then turning these matrices off, because it helps you understand where you are, how are your open rates, how your click-through rates going, and how your bounce rates going. So if you know them and if you get like a clear view, a view on how these matrices are going, you're going to be safe. So week 5 is to monitor and improve. So monitor, what do I mean by monitor and improve? So number 1, monitor bounce rates. Keep hard bounce rates below 2%. How do you keep this bounce rates below 2%? By removing undeliverable addresses immediately. If you send emails and the emails aren't delivered, remove the undelivered addresses immediately. That helps you to keep the bounce rate below 2%, and that's very good. If it is above 2%, bro, you're in problem. And secondly is manage unsubscribes. Make it easy to unsubscribe and promptly honor unsubscribe request. So just give them an option to unsubscribe if they want to unsubscribe. But if they want to stay on your email, they will eventually not unsubscribe you. So include a preference center to retain subscribers who want fewer emails. Then 3, send consistently. So establish a predictable sending schedule so recipients recognize your emails. So for instance, if it is on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, just keep posting sending emails on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. That helps your recipients, the ones who are getting your emails, know and understand that this email is coming from someone, and I expect that most of your emails are going to come on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So it's going to be easy for me to monitor and improve. The 6th week, which is the 5th and last level, secure long-term success. So what do I mean by that? Manage list hygiene. Regularly clean your email list to remove inactive subscribers. Re-engage inactive subscribers with a win back campaign or remove them. So you want to remove all the inactive subscribers. If you target them with a win back campaign and they still are inactive, you want to remove them. But if you target them back with a win back campaign and they re-engage, you can return them and put them back to the original campaign and mark them as active subscribers. So the second thing is strengthen relationships. Build trust by being consistent in tone, value, and timing. Provide more education tips, provide more interesting tips, provide more informative tips to help you build more trust. Avoid sending promotional emails, mix them with educational, informative, and interesting content, which is more engaging. 3. Use feedback loops. Set up feedback loops, FPLs, that's the short form, with major ISPs like Gmail, Yahoo to monitor complaints. And the fourth is track reputation. Monitor your sender reputation using tools like Google Post tools or Sender Score, like the same which we used in SPF, DMARC, and all that. Now, if you have not done this before, I know, or if you're new to emails, I know, I get it. This might be a little bit confusing, but it's not hard to do. It's pretty simple. If you want more help directly from me, feel free, book a free 30-minute strategy session in the description below, or DM me directly on Instagram, and we will get your problem solved ASAP. So this is how my calendar looks like. This is how my calendar looks like when you go to book the free 30-minute strategy session. You will meet a page like this, and you will go in there and schedule a time with me, and I will get back to you whenever I see you have booked. If you have reached the end of this video, you are a G. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Peace.